What is this thing? We haven't had that yet, have we?
Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'm a bit suspicious now.
I think we should wait to reply. No.
덩심이.
I think, is that soup? Soup?
No, don't drink it. Don't drink it. I'm smelling it. No, it's not soup.
물도 아니고 스프도 아니고.
숲도 그렇고 음료수라고 생각할 수도 있고.
Isn't that horseradish or something?
You're probably looking. Just eat it.
You can eat that.
Just dip stuff. No, don't drink it. Don't drink it. I'm smelling it. No, it's like
Well, at home, if you were given this with a meal, it's to clean your fingers, yeah?
Like starts like washing your face with it.
What's that like?
It's quite hospitable, I suppose.
Yeah.
What is? What is?
아,
What do we do with it?
동치미. 동치미.
What do we?
그냥 S.
Oh, like a soup.
Yes.
Okay, so it's
Right. So I'm alright. I'm not that.
No, it's not. I don't think so.
Oh, it's quite sour.
Because you're hospitable.
Okay, I'm gonna have some of this stuff. Thank you.
No, actually, this is really good because I can't see.
Oh, what's that? That is really spicy.
What is?
I didn't realise. I thought.
That's 100%.
I'm going to have to try a bit.
It's quite
No,
nice.
actually, this is really
Is it nice?
Do you think
It's very strong. That's some kind of fish.
Do you think this is...
strong.
That's really tender. That's nice. I like that.
It's like jelly.
Who's going? Some of them are really not hot.
I'm going to.
You gonna try?
either.